Hello, in this tutorial I will be teaching you how to make a dome structure. Okay, let's take a wall from here and make a circular shape like this. Let us see this in 3D how it looks like. Okay, so we need to pull it down to level 1. Go to top view and we need to make a reference wall here like this. Here go to side view and pull it down to level 1. Over here we need to go to components and model in place. Thereafter we need to go to set our reference plane. Once it is set, we can start making dome. Go to revolve, take a vertical line like this in different sections, and you can try different shapes like this. Over here let's make a reference base and take a vertical line of appropriate height. Here we will like to make a dome like shape. Okay, this one is better. And we need to move it a little vertical. This is perfect. And on the top we can make a circular shape like this and make it a little bit attractive. Okay, we need to edit this. Now you can delete it or trim it like this, and you can delete the line too and offset it about 4 inches like this, and let us trim the necessary lines or connect them like this. And we need to take a reference line now, and this is it. We can set the material of our dome, and there we go. This is our dome. We can see it in realistic view. Okay, over here we need to make some little changes. We need to mirror the actual dome and delete the previous one and align the new one to our structure. Okay, this way we can make our dome. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you next time.